everyone, and welcome back to my channel Mind Body Wellness. It is October and it means Pumpkin Spice Latte season. What should we know in order to stay healthy during this time? Pumpkin Spice Latte season is a huge money maker for Starbucks, and it's not the healthiest choice. Starbucks earns an estimated $500 million plus during pumpkin spice season. Then the pumpkin spice latte is the most profitable seasonal drink, driving not just direct sales but also seasonal hype and customer loyalty. Let's look inside the cup of this coffee drink. Size Grande, 16 ounces, whole milk plus whipped cream. Calories 380. Sugar 50 grams, that's about 12 teaspoons of sugar. Carbs 52 grams, fat 14 grams, caffeine 150 milligrams. Why it's unhealthy? Sugar spike. The 50 grams of sugar is more than entire daily recommended limit, 25 grams for women, 36 grams for men. Empty calories. Nearly 400 calories mostly from sugar and fat without much nutrition. Caramel flavoring and syrups. These are highly processed, often with artificial flavors. Blood sugar roller coaster. The sugar plus caffeine combo causes a quick high followed by a crash, leaving you hungrier and craving more sweets. Healthier swaps. Order a short 8 ounces instead of a grande. Ask for a half-size syrup, 2 pumps instead of 4. Skip the whipped cream. Try almond milk or oat milk to cut calories and sugar slightly. Or go for the pumpkin cream cold brew, which has less sugar, 31 grams, and stronger coffee flavor. The main unhealthy ingredient is pumpkin spice sauce or syrup, made of sugar, condensed skim milk, pumpkin puree, natural flavors, fruit and vegetable juice for color, annatto, potassium sorbate, preservative. Problem? High sugar load. Each pump has 8 to 10 grams sugar. A grande uses 4 pumps, 40 grams of sugar alone from syrup. Natural flavors. A vague could be chemical extracts, not whole food spices. Potassium sorbate is considered safe, but is still a processed preservative. Whipped cream, made of cream, vanilla, sugar, a natural flavor preservative. Problem: adds 80 to 100 grams of calories, mostly saturated fat. More added sugar from the syrup mixed into the cream. Pumpkin spice toppings, made of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, clove, and sulfitic agents. Problem: the spices themselves are fine, even healthy in small amounts. Sulfites may trigger sensitivities in some people, headaches, asthma, gut upset. Caramel syrup or flavored syrups in custom orders, made of corn syrup, sugar, water, natural and artificial flavors, coloring, and preservatives. Problem: corn syrup plus sugar, it's empty calories with no nutrition. Artificial flavoring and coloring linked to hyperactivity and craving in some studies. Milk base. Whole milk is default, but options include 2% skim, soy, almond, or oat. Problem: whole milk increases saturated fat and calories. Some plant milks, especially oats and flavored almonds, come with added sugars and gums. What this means for your body? Sugar spike, crash. Excess added sugar leads to insulin surge, then a crash, fatigue, hunger, irritability. Inflammation. Refined sugar and preservative promote chronic low-grade inflammation. Gut health impact. Artificial flavors, preservative may disturb gut microbiome balance. Additive cycle. The combo of caffeine plus sugar activates the brain's reward center, reinforcing cravings. A healthier homemade version could use real pumpkin puree, unsweetened almond oat milk, black coffee or espresso, real spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and just a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. You get flavor, antioxidants, and comfort without the chemical extras. Pumpkin spice season doesn't have to equal weight gain, inflammation, or guilt. It's about awareness and empowered swaps. You can still enjoy the flavor, just choose the version that supports your energy, mood, and long-term health. Subscribe for more healthy swaps and coaching tips. Let's make this season delicious and nourishing. Thanks for being here with me today. Stay healthy and subscribe for more tips.